Rishabh, hi.
Hi,
So
Sunny sir.
today,
Good morning.
good morning, good morning. So today we'll clear your doubt for the stock market trading. We'll see one
Right,
by
sir.
one your question, and also this is basically it comes in the index-based trading course. So we'll
Right,
see
sir.
actually what are your doubts, and I'll try to help you. If any point of
Right,
time
sir.
you have any issues, you can stop me, and then I will be helping you with all of your questions. So the first
ठीक है
question is
sir.
that how to make Google automated sheet which indicates when to buy and when to exit. Needs to understand how it was completely. Let's make one. Okay, so as far as the automation is concerned, yes, we can do it. We can do that. There is no issue. So you are
Right, sir.
asking about the Google automation.
Yes, sir. In which we can get indication and it will be a helping hand to us.
See, basically, we have showed you the RSI indicator. Okay.
जी sir.
So there are different type of indicators which you can automate in the Google Sheet. Now we have only taught you RSI and we want you to practice only on RSI and only on day chart. This is your level of practice that you have to do. Now how
Trading
to
view chart.
automate? Yeah. So trading view chart, like we have showed you that you have to always plot the trading view chart, and then you have to see when to buy, when to, and we have showed you some levels. Okay, so I will just do a quick recap what we have learned those days. So there are levels, actually the levels in which you will be playing. Okay, there are some levels in which you will be playing. Let's see that these are the levels actually in which you are playing.
जी sir.
From here to there and from here to there. Okay, these are the levels in which you will be playing. Okay, so
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
it was the RSI indicator, and it has been also taught to you that if the level is 30, then it means it is oversold and you have to buy here actually. Okay,
Right,
and
sir.
if the level is 70, it means it is overbought, and then you will uh, overbought, and then you will sell. Okay, so these are the levels, and in the terms of emotions, if you want to see, these are greed actually. People are very sorry, it is oversold. Yes, so it is a emotion of fear actually. So we have to understand, and in the emotions of fear we will buy, and this is the emotion of overbought. Okay, just ignore my spelling mistakes. So overbought, sell. Okay, so we have to sell. So these people are very greedy, so they are keep buying all the time. So here we will sell. Okay, so these are clear. Now how to automate this process? Yes, there is a way. I'll show you. Okay, so let me go. It is not completely automation, but yes, if you have the logics in front of your sheet, you will be able to take a good decision, because here we are only talking about the scientific method of doing trading. We are not bothered about any other news. We are only seeing the technical charts and the scientific way in which we can trade in a most perfect way. So let me take, actually, when we have learned the maths, we always take a base actually. Like, let's see, whenever we want to take as a base, we always say actually, let's take factor is x actually. Okay, it is x. We used to see in our max, but here we will take a base of 100 actually. Let's take factor, not x, because we have to calculate the figures. We'll take the
ठीक है
100
sir.
actually. 100. Okay, factor is 100 actually. So now this is the area of 100 percentage. See the line which I am drawing, okay, which I have drawn here actually. If you will see this whole area actually, this is, I will tell that this is your area of 100 percentage. Why I am saying you this area as a 100 percentage? Because in this area you have to you know trade with 100 percentage of your capital. Suppose if you are bringing 100 rupees here, I will tell you to trade with that 100 rupees in this level. So this is a level of 100 percentage actually in which you will be trading. Okay, between 30 to 70. This is your level. So let me take a base of 100. Factor is equals to 100. Now, as I have told you that, this is, if RSI is 30, what we will do? If RSI is 40, what we will do is 50, 60, 70. Now, these I have written a figure because, when RSI will work, let me go to the chart and I will take, okay, let's take TCS stock. Okay, let's take TCS stock. Okay, so this is a trading view chart. Choose to
Can we take index?
We can take index. There is no issue.
So it will be better for
I will.
any index.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can take Nifty Bs or Bank Bs, any index.
Yes, Nifty Bs also we can take.
Nifty Bs. So actually, my core interest is in ETF, sir, as you know.
Okay, so
I
I will do one thing. I will take Nifty Bs. No issues.
Thank you,
I will
sir.
take Nifty Bs and then we will. It is
Thank you,
good
sir.
actually. You are saying by your end, so it is good.
Yeah.
You can always tell me. So it was
Sure, sir.
prior to this. It was not trading view chart. I switched to trading view chart. Okay, this is not a chart IQ. This is a trading view chart which you are seeing in which there are two
Correct, sir.
variable on the left hand side. So what we will do is now we will plot here a day chart as I have told you. Okay,
Sure,
and
sir.
because actually I love to plot the line chart. So you can choose which chart you want to plot, whether you want to plot the candlestick or line chart, that is up to you. So here I am using purely the line chart. Okay, and indicator, I will go here and I will search RSI indicator relative strength index. This is by default, it will give this value, that is 14. I will not change. I will keep the same value. By default, every RSI indicator is having a value of 14. Okay, so let me go to this point. The point which we were talking about the values of the RSI. See, this is the point where it is 30 actually. Approx, we are not talking dot to dot figures. Only approx figures we are talking 29, 30 actually. Here the value is 30. Okay, so 30 we will buy as I have told you because it is fear and oversold, and 70 we will sell because we overbought and greed. Okay, so as per this chart, when the line is coming on the upper side 70, we will sell, and when it is coming at 30, I will buy. This is clear, right? So now how to automate? So there are different levels. Like there is a curve that it is following. This chart will go with a curve. Let me open in a new tab so that the screen will be very full actually here, and then I will just pop up. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So indicator wise, I think I have to plot again. No issues. So, this is now we'll go to the chart. Okay, so this whatever I am showing you, I want you to prepare your own chart actually, or anyhow this video is getting recorded, so you can I will share a link with you and we will upload in YouTube. You can go there and check at any point of time. So what will happen? This is a point 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now I have plotted the chart. Okay, these are the figures which I've written that when RSI is 30, what I will do? 40. So now, before seeing the figures actually, we'll see the cycle of the RSI. Okay, from where it is starting and from where it is ending. This is must, we will see. Okay. So now what I mean by cycle. Okay, we have to see what previously it has happened with the RSI. So I will take a brush. I hope it is drawing the line. Yes, it is drawing the line. Okay. So RSI, if it is 53, suppose if it is RSI 50. See, there are two ways of seeing RSI 50 actually. First way is that whether this cycle is coming from top to bottom. This you can see, right? This is or whether if RA
Yes,
if it
sir.
is
I can see,
whether
sir.
it is whether it is coming from down to upside. See, there are two ways of looking the things ahead actually. Okay, whenever I am
Very
seeing
important.
RSI is, let's say if I am seeing RSI is 30, so I have to see actually Yes, so I will, if I am saying RSI is 30, okay. So 30 is what actually? I have to see a whole cycle, whether this 30 is coming from top to bottom. It means the downtrend has already happened and it is in oversold. Or whether the 30 is again going in uptrend and it can make a high. So there are two ways. See, if it is in middle actually, middle area is what? If I will take this as a base, 30 is zero area, then 70 will make my 100% of it. Okay, so where my doubt lies is that, see, my doubt is not there when RSI is at 70 or at 30. At 30, I know RSI is oversold, I will buy. When RSI is 70, I am not having any because I know it is overbought. I have to sell. My doubt is in the middle area, right? Your doubt is in the middle area. That what I will do in the middle area if RSI is
Yes,
30.
yes sir, yes sir, मिडिल में क्या करना है, सबसे ज्यादा डाउट
So
वही होता है.
now, yeah, so see the doubt, where the doubt is that in the middle area, we have to see the previous cycle, what it is happening here. Suppose if your doubt is here at 45 RSI, okay, now you have to see a cycle. Oh, this is a complete cycle. In order to understand, I have to see a little, I will just scroll down little left hand side and I will see from where the cycle is getting. Oh, this cycle is starting from upside to downside. Oh, so this is, you have to first start with the analyzing of the face actually. And if you are seeing that now here 30 is down to up to down actually. This is a downward cycle. It means the correction is happening. Now, if same, I will see this RSI. See, this RSI is different, 48. Okay. Same 48, if I'll see here, I will not tell from down to up. I will tell from up to down. I will tell this cycle is going from down to up. It means the correction has happened earlier and it is in the upside phase. So is this point is clear or not clear? Rishabh?
Yes, sir, this is clear. So I think let me summarize you so that you can correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
basically, the point is whenever we are buying in between 30 and 70, we have to observe the pattern of the chart. If the chart is falling, if, for example, if I'll take the last call of 22nd March, sorry, 25th March. So the chart is at, I think, 40.51. So the chart is going to, it is, the chart has from bottom, it has come up and now it is going down, little bit going down. So I think it might go to down.
Yeah. See, but at once we can tell actually that it is any upside move actually, because see the downside has happened and it is
तो नहीं
going
सर, इस
from
पे तो सर जैसे अभी ये इसने नीचे से सर इसने 28 से पकड़ के ये 28 से पकड़ के ऊपर ये कितना आ रहा है, ये अभी लास्ट डे का सर इसका बताइए, लास्ट, हाँ बिल्कुल लास्ट डे का ये आ रहा है 55. तो सर अभी मैं क्या इसका एनालिसिस करूंगी, नीचे जाएगा कि ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे से ऊपर तक यहाँ तक तो आ गया.
वही हम सीख रहे हैं, वही मैं गूगल शीट आपको
जी,
दिखाऊंगा. पर इसमें
राइट सर,
देखिए,
राइट सर.
इसमें ये है कि पहला देखो, पहला फेस क्या है? पहला फेस ये है कि हमें ये जो एनालिसिस करनी है, ये स्टडी करनी है, कैसे करनी है. देखो पहला स्टेप क्या है आपका? पहला स्टेप क्या है आपका? पहला स्टेप है कि सबसे पहले आपका स्टेप वन एक्चुअली, आप स्टेप के हिसाब से हमें काम करना है, ठीक है. इसमें पहला स्टेप हमारा क्या है? पहला स्टेप हमारा ये है, वी विल एनालाइज द फेस एक्चुअली. एनालाइज द फेस. एनालाइजिंग ऑफ द फेस मींस कि वो डाउन से आ रहा है या अप से आ रहा है. यहाँ पे अगर मैं बोलूंगा मेरा RSI 53 है, तो यहाँ पे दिक्कत सी बात है, ये पूरा का पूरा ये यहाँ से डाउन था, फिर यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लिया, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे अगर मैं एक यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करूँ तो मैं ये मोटा मोटा यहाँ पे बोल सकता हूँ, ठीक है. ये एक अगर मैं 10 लाइन यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करूँ, 10 लाइन भी अगर मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करूँ कि ये एक डाउन फेस, ये अपसाइड था, ये पहले ओवरबॉट था, अभी यहाँ पे करेक्शन हो गया. तो ये यहाँ पे ओवरबॉट था, फिर यहाँ पे करेक्शन हो गया, तो ये था अपसाइड फेज जो था, फिर ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे डाउन गया है, ठीक है. इसको भी मैं ऐसे ही बोल सकता हूँ. अभी यहाँ पे अलग है, यहाँ पे
तो सर एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में.
हाँ,
आपने जो ट्रेंड दिखाया सर, इसका मतलब ये है क्या कि यहाँ पे हमें परचेस करने से बचना है क्योंकि ये साइकिल नीचे की तरफ आ रही है?
हाँ,
ये
तो
इसका मतलब ये
हम एक्चुअली वही हम सेकंड स्टेप में करेंगे एक्चुअली.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
तो ये पहला तो हो गया ये एनालिसिस ऑफ द फेस, ठीक है. अभी एनालिसिस ऑफ द फेस तो हमें पता चल गया कि ये डाउन से आ रहा है या अप से आ रहा है, ठीक है. ये तो हमें उतना पता चल, ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
अभी हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे गया,
राइट सर.
ठीक है, अभी आई विल सी हियर दैट ये फैक्टर 100 है, ठीक है, इसको मैं पूरे की सारी लाइन को फैक्टर 100 कर दिया, ये 30 है, ये RSI 30 है एक्चुअली, ठीक है।
ठीक है
ये
सर,
RSI अगर 30 है तो मतलब ये सीधी सी बात है कि ये ओवरसोल्ड है।
मतलब बाइंग पोजीशन है अपने लिए।
हाँ, ये
ठीक है।
अपने लिए बाइंग पोजीशन है, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे मैं इसको 100 से माइनस कर दिया हूँ, ठीक है। ये जो फिगर आ रहा है 70 का, ये परसेंटेज टर्म्स में, परसेंटेज टू कीप, क्योंकि देखो परसेंटेज टू कीप और परसेंटेज टू बाई एक्चुअली, ठीक है।
अच्छा, जितना मेरे पास पैसा है उसका 70% मैं खरीद लूं, ये कहने का मतलब है सर?
हाँ, जितना भी आपके पास पैसा है, ये इसको आपके पास अगर 2 लाख रुपया है मान लीजिए, दो
ठीक
लाख
है सर।
रुपया ठीक है। अभी ये हमारा जो वर्किंग एरिया है वो 30 है, ठीक है ना। 30 का अभी 100 भी है यहाँ पे। अगर मैं 100 का बेस लेके अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि मेरा ये जो पूरा वर्किंग एरिया है, ये 0 to 100 परसेंटेज बनाता है, ठीक है ना। तो
ठीक है सर।
इसमें
ठीक है सर।
मेरे को 100 का बेस रख के 70% तो अपना जो भी कैपिटल है वो खरीदना है। अभी हमारे लिए इसी लेवल पे हमें खरीदना बेचना है, ये चांसेस है कि आपने इंडेक्स खरीदा और वो 20 का RSI कभी दिखाई, 15 का RSI दिखाई, ठीक है, तो उसका उसके लिए भी हम बफर यहाँ पे छोड़ना है हमें। पर अभी व्हाट आई विल डू इज दैट, ये जो भी फिगर आने दो एक्चुअली, वट एवर फिगर इट इज कमिंग ओवर हियर, ओके, बिकॉज as per me 30 is the best line which we can buy actually, okay. So plus actually I will buy 15 more actually, 15 percentage more. It means 85 percentage at least, whatever is my capital I will buy, okay.
ठीक है सर।
85%, it means actually if I have 2 lakhs rupees, this is just a logic actually, we are just applying a logic, because here sometimes if the things are not there on the chart, we will be thinking what we should do actually, but if the chart will say yes, then we will say, oh, we can, we can now we can buy actually. So यहाँ पे
ठीक है
15%
सर।
we will buy, okay. So अभी 2 lakhs का 85% I will do, okay, divided by 100, I will say it means 1,70,000 rupees I can put here. If I have 2 lakhs rupees, I can easily put. So this is okay. So this money I have 2 lakhs rupees and I am putting 1,70,000. So see, if I will stuck on the upper level and if I will not hold this much of money, then when the RSI will come at 30, I will be left with nothing in my hand. See, again, we are buying a buffer actually here. See, this is, I am only telling you for the percentage to buy actually. When RSI is in downtrend actually, and it is just actually, it is the same example which I am giving you here actually. If you will see RSI here, okay, you will see RSI here. Now, on 7th of March, if the RSI is on 26, what you should do, what people will do, people are not aware actually, because they are only seeing, even though many people are not aware how to track the RSI. Second thing is that if they know also, they don't know how much to invest here actually. If you will make this Pakka plan 100%, see, when we are making a plan, we have to apply every time. We will not stuck or we will not divert with this rule. Okay, 85% I have, see, 15% I have kept for the buffer. Okay, I will just make one
तो
more
मेरा एक
line.
क्वेश्चन है सर यहाँ पे।
Hmm.
सर ये मैं समझ गया, आपने बताया 30 RSI पे अपन को 85% अपने कैपिटल का पैसा अपन को ETF में खरीदना है, इंडेक्स में। जो
Hmm.
सर आपने रखा है ये परसेंटेज टू सेल, ये मैं समझ नहीं पाया। 85 खरीदना है,
You can
15% बेचना है।
see, wait. You don't
हाँ
see
जी।
this things now
ओके ओके।
actually. I will
ठीक है
just
ठीक
do
है।
one thing actually. I will hide this chart. Okay.
ठीक
Now
है ठीक है सर।
we are only talking when this is a cycle actually, and it is going up actually from down. Okay. So when the RSI is 30, so what we will do is that
ठीक है
I
ठीक है
have
सर,
also
गॉट इट।
added, so percentage to keep aside. See, I will always keep some percentage aside with me. It
ये
means,
कैपिटल बचा के रखना है।
हाँ, it means कि मेरे को इतना कैपिटल तो बचा के ही रखना है, ओके। सो नाउ what will happen actually, okay, so we will go step by step. So now how much capital I will keep aside, 15%. Let me go here. It means 15%. Okay. So we always do a trial check here actually, if because there are chances that we can do a mistake. Okay, so whether this is equal to this or not, I will check now here actually. You see, person can tell, hey, it is looking why you are counting, but when the money will increase, we always have to keep everything on our sheet, whether everything is matching or not matching. Okay, so what I will do is that I will add this thing here. Okay, 85 and this one. Okay, and I will subtract from my total balance. So this is a check for me that 100% whatever I have done, I am checking that actually. See, we always have to go via proper structure. We cannot go via figures which is coming in our mind. Whatever is there on the chart, we will analyze and we will take our step. Okay. So I hope you are getting this point. Okay. So this is the percentage which I am keeping aside, 15%. This 15% I will buy again. I see I am only calculating in 30 to 70. If RSI is going at 25 or 20, still you are left with 30,000 rupees where you can divide your money. But let me, make you understand between this bracket only. Okay, we are only talking about a bracket of 30 to 70. First, you play in this bracket, and then other things can be dragged. And when you will learn the process, you can also make your sheet like this. Okay, so now you have bought 1,70,000 rupees of amount here. Now the question is there actually that when to sell actually. Now when to sell, how to sell. See now, don't look on this chart when RSI is coming on 40. Okay, and also ignore actually, because there are some people who will miss out the opportunity and who will tell, oh अभी तो RSI 40 है, अभी मैं क्या करूं. पर ये cycle जो है, it is coming from down to up actually. See, the cycle is going from there are some people who will miss this kind of excellent entry which they have to do. They are still worried and things seeing the now it went to 40 actually. Now when it is going to 40 actually, they have missed the opportunity actually, very very frank. Now when they are doing the entry at 40 RSI, so they can only put 60% of their capital because 100 minus. See, I am going only by fact and figures. Nothing is coming from my mind.
ठीक है सर, मैं समझ गया. तो 30 पे जब RSI होगा तो हम 85% कैपिटल लगाएंगे. सिमिलरली 40 पे 60, 50 पे 50, 60 पे 40 और 70 पे 30. ये कैपिटल लगानी है इतनी अपने को. ये मैं समझ गया आपकी बात.
Now this is a overbought actually, overbought position. Okay, and this is 30. So when it is overbought, whatever the value is coming, okay, I will subtract 15. See, here I have kept 15 plus. So here I have to balance the equation.
सही बात.
It is same actually. It means मेरे को 15% ही लगाना है. Okay, so this is a automation that you can do with your capital, but it is all manual automation. So once you will automate, then it will become automatic process for you to apply for in different circumstances. I hope it's clear. Okay.
ठीक है सर. बस एक मेरा क्वेश्चन था सर यहाँ पे, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर RSI इसमें आपने 50 लिखा है, RSI अगर 50 हो तो मेरे पास 2 लाख है तो मैं 50% मतलब 1 लाख रुपए लगा लूंगा. ये मतलब ये अपना रूल तो फिक्स रहेगा ना, जो आपने दिखा रखा है अभी स्क्रीन पे. 70 पे होगा तो 70 पे सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है, 70 तो रिस्की पोजीशन होती है, बट स्टिल उस पोजीशन पे अपन को लेना चाहिए क्या? जैसे आपने दिखाया तो बहुत कम है 15%, बट 70 थोड़ी सी जैसे
see actually 70 पे it is not important to purchase, but there are some triggering factor in the market. When you are seeing the market every day and every time, you are bound to participate in that. So I am telling, if in case you are participating, still you keep a buffer. You go by a logic that आपको ये बोल रहा है 15% ही खरीदना है तो 15% ही खरीदना है. उतना कितना आपको असाइड रहना है वो उतना आपको बता दिया गया है कि इतना आपको असाइड रहना है. मतलब 85% तक तो आपको तो बेच देना है एक्चुअली. ठीक है, ये पूरा आपको ये चार्ट समझ में आ गया, राइट? इट इज फाइन फॉर यू नाउ.
सर ये समझ में आ गया. सेल वाला जो था वो बता देना, परसेंटेज टू सेल वाला. अच्छा, सेल पे जाएं उससे पहले एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर. जैसे आपने इसमें दिखाया
टू सेल, सी now percentage to sell, what was there, you leave that chart. See, okay, because I have implemented this chart for you, percentage to keep aside or percentage to sell. This is the new thing for you. Actually, you just leave that other line which I have hided that part of sheet. Now this is the percentage to sell. आपका RSI 70 पे है, आपको 85% बेच देना है वहां पे, ठीक है। तो कीप असाइड और
अच्छा
सेल, ये आपके लिए एक ही चार्ट है, ये एक ही में आपका हो जाएगा, कीप
अच्छा,
असाइड।
एक मिनट सर, मैं एक कंफ्यूजन सर मुझे ये हो रहा है। जैसे आपने 100 पे लिखा है, जो पहला 30 RSI पे 85% बाय करेंगे, 15% सेल करेंगे। इसका मतलब अगर मेरे पास स्टॉक है तो मैं 15% सेल करूंगा। 2 लाख, अगर मान लो मेरे पास 1 लाख का माल है, तो उसमें से 1 लाख में से 85,000 बाय करूंगा। और अगर मेरे पास माल ही नहीं है तो मैं
कौन सा
बेचूंगा कैसे
कौन सा
उसको? मतलब
कौन सा RSI क्या बात कर रहे हो आप, इस
जैसे
RSI का
30,
बात कर रहे हो?
जैसे नहीं सर, 30 RSI है, उस पे आपने
हाँ
दिखाया परसेंटेज टू बाय 85।
हाँ,
सपोज मेरे
ठीक है
पास कोई
ठीक है।
पोजीशन नहीं है, सपोज
हम्म,
मेरे पास कोई पोजीशन नहीं है, मैं
हम्म।
पोजीशन ले रहा हूँ, तो मैं सिर्फ 85,000 ही तो ले पाऊंगा। 15,000 तो मैं बेच कैसे पाऊंगा? मतलब मैं ये दोनों दोनों बाय और सेल एक टाइम पे कैसे कर पाऊंगा, ये नहीं समझ पा रहा
देखो,
हूँ
एक्चुअली मैं
कि
आपको
खरीद भी रहा
बताता
हूँ,
हूँ।
बेच भी रहा हूँ।
ठीक है
हाँ
ठीक
जी।
है, देखो अभी आपका ये क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा है, सुनिए। अब ये चार्ट को आपको दोनों साइड से इस्तेमाल करना है, सुनिए अब मेरी बात। अगर
हम्म।
आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, मान मान लो कि आपके पास यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है एक्चुअली, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आपका होल्डिंग 0 है और आपने देखा
जी
RSI हो गया 30 है, ठीक है। तो पहला बात तो ये है कि आप यहाँ पे 85% तो आपने खरीद लिया, ठीक है ना। तो
जी।
ये उस केस के अंदर जब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, तो ये आपका ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं है कि आप कुछ सेल करो। आप उतना जो 15% है वो आपका बच रहा है यहाँ पे 30,000 रुपीज, वो आपको असाइड कर देना है, ठीक है। पहला तो सवाल आपका ये हो गया। अभी आप
मतलब
यहाँ
सर उस पैसे
पे,
को साइड में रखना है, खरीदना नहीं
हाँ,
है। 85,000 खरीदना है, ठीक है।
इतना देखो, ये जो है आपको उसको असाइड के लिए भी यूज करना है और सेल के लिए भी यूज करना है,
ठीक है ठीक है, आप
ठीक है।
बताइए सर, ठीक है
आपको
आप बताइए।
बेस्ड ऑफ द सर्कमस्टेंसेस इस टेबल को देखो, मैं आपके यहाँ पे दो चार्ट इसलिए नहीं बनाया, वो क्या डिफरेंट आइडियाज क्रिएट करेगा आपको।
ठीक है
इसको
ठीक
इसी
है।
को अगर आप रख के करोगे तो आपको बिल्कुल
हाँ,
क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगा इसमें कि कैसे आपको ट्रेड करना है, ठीक है। अभी
ठीक है सर।
अभी आप मानो कि आप यहाँ पर हो, ठीक है ना। अभी आप यहाँ पे हो और आपने यहाँ पे खरीदा है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि आपको यहाँ पे बाय का बोल रहा है, ठीक है ना। तो इसका आप ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे तो आपको तो यहाँ पे बेचना है, ठीक है। तो आप यहाँ पे बाय नहीं करना है, आप यहाँ तो उसको कीप करो, असाइड रखो। यहाँ तो आप उसको, वही जो आपके पास पोजीशन है उसको आप 15% होल्ड भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। पर ये केवल और केवल मैं आपको चार्ट इसलिए बना के दिया हूँ ताकि आपके सारे लेवल, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्लियर हो जाए। ये तो ओवरबॉट का पोजीशन है, पर ये लोगों को भी पता है, स्टिल पीपल आर बाइंग एट 70, ठीक है। तो अगर आपको उतना
ठीक है
ही
सर।
है कि आपको बाय करना ही है, तो फिर आप चार्ट के मुताबिक रहना है आपको। वो जो चार्ट बोल रहा है आपको कि आपको 15%, आपको 85% निकल जाना है, एक्चुअली सेल सेल कर देना है, इसका आपको
नहीं
असाइड
सर,
नहीं, इसका
मेरा,
आपको सेल।
आपकी बात सर समझ पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ा सा मेरे को अभी भी डाउट है। जैसे
हम्म,
एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, मैंने जो 30 RSI पे मैंने 2 लाख अपनी कैपिटल लगा दी।
ठीक है।
मतलब एक 85, 1 लाख कैपिटल में से 85,000 लगा दिया, ठीक है। तो मेरे पास 85,000 से जब वो, मतलब 85,000 पे,
85%, दो
हाँ,
मिनट, 1 लाख
मतलब मुझे सर एक कोई
85,000।
एग्जांपल से समझा पाएंगे कि उस पे अपन को क्या क्या करना है? क्योंकि मेरे को ये तो समझ में आ गया कि कैपिटल बचा के रखनी है, लेकिन सेल क्या करना है? वही स्टॉक को सेल करना है या कोई दूसरे स्टॉक को? मतलब ये सेल वाला पॉइंट यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मुझे थोड़ा सा
नहीं
मुझे
नहीं,
मतलब
उसी को
यहाँ पे।
देखो, आप आपका सवाल ये है, आपने आपने आप मान लो, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, कोई भी हम स्टॉक का एग्जांपल लेते हैं। आप रिलायंस लिया, ठीक है।
हाँ जी।
मैं आपको रिलायंस का बताता हूँ, आपने रिलायंस लिया,
जी।
ठीक है। वो RSI तो 30 है, ठीक है। आपने
ठीक है।
यहाँ पे 85
एक लाख
परसेंटेज,
सत्तर
85% इसका कितना हो गया, 1 मिनट।
1,70,000।
हाँ, 1,70,000 ही हो गया, ठीक है।
राइट सर।
मैं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे जस्ट लिख रहा हूँ फिगर्स, ताकि विल डू
ठीक है।
एवरीथिंग ऑन हियर इन द चार्ट, ओके। तो
ठीक है।
आप ये जो है ये 85 यहाँ नहीं लिखना, सॉरी, इसको यहीं से लिख देना है, ठीक है। 1,70,000 हो गया, ठीक है ना। आपने 1,70,000 का तो माल ले लिया, ठीक है ना। अभी ये जो फिगर है एक्चुअली, ये देखो, ये जो डिफरेंट लेवल है, अगर आपने 30 का नहीं लिया, अगर आप 40 पे आओगे तो आपको 60% ही लेना है, ठीक है। पहला तो इसको ये ले लिया, अगर आपने 30 पे एंट्री कर दिया, अभी आपको बेचना कब है, आपको यहाँ तक अगर आपने 30 पे बाई किया है, ठीक है, 30 पे आपने बाई किया है, तो जैसे 50 पे आ जाए, एक्चुअली 50 पे आ जाए, ठीक है ना, तो आपको यहाँ पे देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है आपको, इसका सिंपल सा लॉजिक ये है, अभी अगर आप कोई भी चार्ट देखते हो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो अपना परसेंटेज का प्रॉफिट रहता है करीबन 10, करीबन जो हम परसेंटेज प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं यहाँ पे वो 10% का, एक साइकिल डाउन से अप से डाउन 10% का टक्का का प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे निकलता है, ठीक है। अगर मैं मोटा मोटा बात करूं, that if I will buy here and sell here in the middle, it means I can make 4 to 5% of return. If I will buy here and sell here, it means again in second cycle I can make 4 to 5% of return. Complete cycle, if I will catch, it means I can make at least 10% of return. This is clear to you or not clear, Rishabh?
This is clear, sir. This is clear.
Okay, so now when you are buying here and when it is reaching at 50, actually, when you are catching the cycle at 30 and when it is reaching at 50, actually, okay, it means you have cashed half of the cycle, actually, and at least in this cycle you will make 5%, pakka 100% you will make this return. Even you can check the historical chart of RSI and you can see, actually. Okay, so when you are making
example,
50, yeah, tell me.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल सर अपन ने 1,70,000 का रिलायंस लिया था 30 RSI पे, अब जैसे उसकी RSI 50 हुई तो 1,70,000 में से मैं 65,000 बेच दूं, और सॉरी 65 नहीं 85,000 बेच दूं, 85 नहीं कितना हुआ, 170 का आधा, मतलब 170 का आधा बेच दूं और आधा रख लूं, ये कहने का मतलब है।
So everything we can, we can calculate. It means अभी आपका यहाँ पे आपने एक साइकिल तो कैच कर लिया एक्चुअली, ठीक है, आप अभी 50,000 तो यहाँ पे बेच के आराम से बैठ सकते हो। मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ 50,000 बेच के प्रॉफिट बुक करना है आपको, क्योंकि मान लो कि अगर ये डाउन भी आ गया तो जो 50 आपके पास है फिर से उसका खरीद सकते हो। अगर ये अप गया तो आपका जो 50% है वो 5% और बढ़ जाएगा, तो आपका टोटल कैपिटल क्या है, आपने वो सेव भी कर लिया और आपने उसको प्रॉफिट बुक भी करता रहा, और जैसे ही वो 70 पे पहुंचा, या तो 100% बेच दो या तो आपके ऊपर, आप 85% अगर आपको उतना ही है कि नहीं मेरे को रखना है, ये है वो है, तो ये आपको फिर ये 85% तो आपको ये बेच के ही निकलना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे 1,70,000 और यहाँ पे 22 और ये परसेंटेज टू बाई, ठीक है, ये तो था हमारा परसेंटेज टू बाई। अभी यहाँ पे मैं परसेंटेज टू सेल भी रखा हूँ, ठीक है, तो आपको यहाँ पे है परसेंटेज टू सेल, कितना सेल करना है, ठीक है
सर। अगर मान लीजिए हम कोई पोजीशन 50 RSI पे ले रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हम कोई पोजीशन 50 RSI पे लेने हैं, तो उसका
अगर आप पोजीशन कोई 50 RSI पे ले रहे हो तो पहली बात तो आपको कितना परसेंटेज परचेज करना है, तो ये आपको आ गया कि आपको कितना परसेंटेज बाय करना है, तो आपको 51,000 का बाय करना है, ठीक है ना।
मतलब
अभी आपने क्योंकि 50 पे लिया है तो दैट इज योर मिस्टेक एक्चुअली, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट डूइंग अ करेक्ट, नाउ व्हेन यू आर नॉट डूइंग अ करेक्ट एंट्री, you have to accept a mistake that you have missed the chance to earn good money from your capital. Now अभी इतना 50 पे आने के बाद आपको 50,000 ही लगाना है एक्चुअली, ठीक है, परसेंटेज।
नहीं सर, इसमें 50,000 क्यों आ रहा है, मतलब 2 लाख में से 2 लाख का 50% तो 1 लाख होना चाहिए ना।
सॉरी आई थिंक,
हाँ मतलब मुझे लग रहा है शायद कुछ फॉर्मूले में वो है।
हाँ या आई थिंक बिकॉज क्योंकि मैं ड्रैग किया हूँ तो
नहीं कोई बात नहीं सर, मैं आपकी बात समझ चुका हूँ। तो 50 पे अगर अपन लेंगे तो जो अपनी कैपिटल है उसका आधा पार्ट ही लेंगे, पूरा नहीं लेंगे। और अब लेकिन 50 वाले को लेने के बाद हम जब 5% प्रॉफिट तो पहुंच जाएंगे तो हम उसको फिर बेच देंगे, एग्जिट कर देंगे।
यस,
जैसे 50 से वो, हाँ जी
थैंक यू, एक्चुअली यू हैव कैच दिस मिस्टेक, दिस इज गुड एक्चुअली, no but actually I would have been logged this column actually, so it is fine, right? So percentage
right sir.
So एक मिनट, ये I2 जो है I can log this column because there will be other students also who will be watching this
right
video.
sir.
So we also have to think and help them.
This is very helpful sir. I must say that आपका जो इंस्टीट्यूट का जो ये ट्रेडिंग का एडवाइस है सर, ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है। इनफैक्ट मैंने जो अपना ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट किया है, इट इज सो इजी फॉर मी नाउ टू ट्रेड एंड आई एम, मतलब ऐसे पहले चार्ट देख के लगता ही नहीं था कि हम ये सीख भी पाएंगे कभी, बट आपने जिस तरीके से सिखाया है सर, इट इज ट्रेमेंडस वे ऑफ टीचिंग, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू गाइस, एंड आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं सर। थैंक यू
Rishabh. So I will Yes, I'm sorry. You have catch the mistake. Thank you. So
नहीं
now
सर
it
ठीक
is
है.
now it is clear. Now it is clear, right? So see,
Yes sir.
if you will see from down to up, we are in the same figure. If we will see from down to up, same figure, and up to down, same figure. See 30 here, 30 here, 70 here. So see, we are we have balanced actually, because we have also learned about balanced the equation. Hence, left is equal to right. So here we are balancing our equation. If you will calculate, it is it is fine. So, see in the complete cycle actually. Okay, this is the complete
ठीक
cycle.
है सर. एक सर मेरा और डाउट था, ये तो आपने मुझे समझा दिया. अब कोई भी पोजीशन अगर सब सपोज अपने पास हमने 50 पे 3 पोजीशन ले ली, 3 ईटीएफ खरीद लिए, 3 ईटीएफ. तो
Okay, okay.
3 ईटीएफ खरीदे, लेकिन पैसा अपन 1 लाख रुपए लगाएंगे उसमें, ठीक है. अब उन तीनों ईटीएफ का जो एग्जिट पॉइंट होगा सर 50 आरएसआई के बाद, वो हम कैसे समझेंगे कि उसको हम कम एग्जिट करेंगे? क्योंकि 5% प्रॉफिट मिलते हैं, हम उसको एग्जिट कर सकते हैं. जैसे 50 पे हमने लिया, या मतलब मैं इस चार्ट को देखूं कि 50 पे मैंने 3 ईटीएफ लिए, वो 60 पे जब पहुंच गया, तो 1 लाख में से मैं 40% आगे और बाय करूं, और जो मेरा पुराना स्टॉक पड़ा हुआ है उसमें से 60% बेच दूं. कहने का मतलब है
See,
50 आरएसआई पे अगर मैंने लिया.
what we are seeing is here actually there are different levels in which you can sell. Even you can book your profit here also. Some of the part of the profit you can book here also. Like if you have put 1,70,000. Okay, so it is telling actually that out of 1,70,000, you have to get rid of 80,000 rupees of stock. But I will tell you, when this cycle will reverse actually, when it is going from down to up, or from down to up, or from up to down, when these are the two cycles, these are extreme positions. I will tell you, at least we wait for two of the cycles here. At least, if we are buying here, at least wait till for 50 actually to get rid of your 50% of holding. If you are buying here, at least wait for two cycles actually. I will tell, because this is a very quick movement that you are trying to catch. At least we have to wait for two more cycles or two more RSI figures, so that we can catch good profit. I will tell, because 30 to 40 it will fetch you how much of return. You can tell me. I'll tell you actually, not more than 1.5 percentage to 4 percentage, or yeah, 2 percentage. So at least wait. This is also a good return if you are making in 2 or 3 days. I am not denying it, but I am just thinking on the other way around, that our punching work should be less. So just wait actually, and when it comes to 50, see, once you are, whenever we are doing a checking, or what we say, whenever we have to check actually the logics here, see the time interval that we are looking is for a bigger period. Suppose I am checking the RSI here, I am taking a day chart. See, there are various charts, 3-hour chart and 1-hour chart. There are various small charts also, where RSI will move very quickly. But the more quickly we are seeing the chart, our accuracy will decrease actually. That is what I am telling the students, that at least go for a bigger time frame, so that our accuracy should be good. And we are not coming and changing our decision by every now and then, because here most of the people are working, even you are working. You are not having so much of time to track and keep and then to sell. It will also affect your current work. So what we are saying is that, rather doing for an intraday, or for 1 or 2 hour of trading, do a 2-3 days or at least 15 days of trading period. So you are knowing that till when and when I have to, every now and then you are not opening your screen, and it is not affecting your work. So practice has to be done on a bigger time frame. 30 to 40 is, I don't think, but as you are into index based trading, at least take a higher time frame, 30 to 40 or 50 to 60. And as and when you are good in that, then you can go for 30, 40, 40, 50. But then again, the movements will be very quick, and then you have to be very active. You can miss a chance, because if you are selling out here, then you should, if it is again coming at 30, then you should be ready to buy again. So there are movements. It all depends. You have how much time you have. So okay, now I'll go to your second question.
Correct, sir.
I hope it is clear. You practice actually, because this is all recorded session. You make your
ठीक है
own
sir.
chart.
Yeah, I will practice, sir. Most of the
You-
things are clear, but if require, I will be in touch
so
with you.
this chart will clear all your doubts. It is you asked for automation, so we are helping you in automating your trades. Okay. So if I have a sum of 5 lakhs money available, what is the strategy to invest? I can make 5%, and how many ETFs, and should I buy multiple take? Okay, you can amount again. Do we buy and do averaging strategy short profit?
सर एक्चुअली मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरे पास अगर 5 लाख रुपए है तो मैं कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करके 5% का मंथली प्रॉफिट बना सकता हूँ, पहला क्वेश्चन। दूसरा, अगर वो जब भी मैं लूं अगर वो ईटीएफ गिर जाए तो हमको क्या एवरेजिंग करनी है उसकी, और कब तक एवरेजिंग करनी है, और फिर उसको कब बेचना है। और उसके साथ में ये क्वेश्चन और है कि अगर मान लो मेरे को 5% प्रॉफिट एक मंथ में मिल गया है तो मैं उस मंथ में ट्रेडिंग करना छोड़ दूं या उस पैसे को वापस इन्वेस्ट कर दूं मैं उसी महीने। ये क्वेश्चन है सर सेकंड वाला।
5% प्रॉफिट तो हमें मिलना है, वो तो हमारा हक है यहाँ पे। हम क्योंकि शेयर बाजार में आके इतना रिस्क लेके
जी
काम करता है सब, ये तो हमारा
राइट
हक
सर।
बनता ही है कि 5 से 7 या 10% का भी प्रॉफिट हम यहाँ से कमा के निकले, क्योंकि हम रिस्क ले रहे हैं सब यहाँ पे।
रिस्क ले रहे
ये
हैं सर,
बात ये
राइट
है,
सर।
अभी हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो बहुत स्ट्रांग बना बनता है। ये यहाँ पे कुछ भी एबीसी लेके बनाने का सोचने का, इट इज वेरी रॉन्ग स्टेप दैट पीपल आर टेकिंग नाउ। एज फार एज द
हाँ
ईटीएफ
जी।
आर कंसर्न, यस वी कैन ट्रेड। तो इसमें क्या है कि 5% का तो हमारा टारगेट है एक्चुअली। अगर हमें ज्यादा मिलता है तो हमें उसमें शर्माना नहीं चाहिए, वो हमारा हक है, हमें उसको लेना है। अभी किसी
जी
महीने के अंदर 5% मिल गया, हमें जो भी यहाँ पे करना है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ चार्ट फॉर यू। I think this
ठीक
chart
है।
is a Bible for you, or Gita for you, or anything, whatever you tell, this is for you. So whenever you have to take any decision, you see a chart actually. See, second person is a secondary person. Whatever he will tell, he will, if he is a right person and if he know the basics, he will also check the chart and he will tell you. If he is telling in his thoughts, it means he is not giving right advice. Here we are trading as per the scientific indicator. Now, how to make 5%? You have to practice only on these parameters: trading view chart, day, line,
ठीक है
or
सर।
bar chart, candlestick, and
डाउनवर्ड
RSI.
ट्रेंड है या अपवर्ड ट्रेंड है जो आपने
Up and
बताया
down.
वो देखना
Now
है।
this is enough for you for your whole time. You practice on this. See, there are multiple indicators. The more you will keep, and your mind will become messy. I will just
राइट सर।
to make you. I will
ओनली
just
आरएसआई।
all. See, your mind will become like this only. All things will be in front of you, and you will be only seeing the chart
कंफ्यूज।
and getting. You will having different thoughts, and you don't know where to go, because
ठीक है
every
सर।
indicator is different. No, we are not going to. We have to very focus. We will only practice for whole of our lifetime only in one indicator, seeing only RSI chart. That will make
ठीक है।
our life good.
ओके सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था सर, एक्चुअल में अगर सपोज हमारे पास 5 लाख कैपिटल है और मैं अगर 4 ईटीएफ में इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ तो मैं, जैसे मैंने किसी भी
Actually,
पॉइंट पे लिया।
whenever we have
हाँ
to
जी।
invest in ETF or any other asset class, there is a dummy sheet actually which we make for the students. So here you can make your own sheet. Okay, the first of all,
ओके सर।
what is the asset class that you want to buy? I'm just giving you an example. Suppose you are buying MON 100. Okay, you have just decided Nifty Bs. Okay, or you are buying Netfit. I am just giving you an example. Sorry. Okay, how much to invest? See, everything, whatever we have to do, we have to make a chart. Simply, we cannot come here and we cannot tell, no, I want to buy, and this is, we have to always, whenever we are trading, we have to make a chart for everything here. So this is 10. Okay, I will make a good chart for you. With I will not share this chart. You have to make by yourself because I want you to practice.
राइट सर। यस
Okay.
सर, आई विल।
So this is quantity. You will write quantity here. Okay, and you will write price here. I am just taking a random quantity and random price. Okay,
राइट सर।
10 and 10 and 10. Okay, I am just taking a random price. Don't worry about
ठीक है
that.
सर। ठीक है
So,
सर।
and MON 100 actually I will just write 112. Okay. Now capital which I want to invest, amount of money. Amount. total amount, or I think this is not a good sentence. Total amount. Okay, this is, I will total.
ठीक है सर.
It means total, it is 32. Now, okay, if my total capital is, suppose for example, total capital is how much actually? I can sum out this actually. Sum if I will do, it will come down to, okay, 32. Now percentage I can calculate that MON how much percentage I have invested. Okay, so I have to divide actually each and every. It means 34% I have invested here in this, and D.
We can put dollars.
I think 55% I have invested here, and 16 because it is 16. I will just learn how to log. So it means this is my, I am just removing the other fingers. Okay, percentage.
Right, sir.
So this is my percentage which I am investing. Suppose if I am buying one share, if I want to see that, you know, I want to invest my 34 or 25% is M100. First I will decide. Okay, now if I am seeing it is going up, I will just stop purchasing that stock, because here if I am making a portfolio, I have to, you know, divide my money in equal terms, in equal percentage. If suppose I am deciding, now here also, you know, deciding it what actually, I can tell that I want to, first I have to plan, I want to buy only 3 ETF. If I am buying in 3 ETF, first I will decide, I have to stick to the rules. I cannot tell first I will decide 3 and then I will make 4 and then I will make 5. It will not work actually. I have to work like what actually? Portfolio manager. Now, portfolio manager of my own money. I am a portfolio manager. Whenever I am seeing, even if you will see the mutual funds, they are all going into the percentage terms. If they are thinking percentage increasing, they will stop purchasing. So first I will decide the amount. Suppose if I am telling out of 100%, out of 100%, if 3 ETFs I'll buy, it means per ETF 33%. It means here I have bought less actually. Here I have bought less. Why I have bought less? Because I was just going into my dreams and I was just keep buying without looking into the numbers. And I will write everything. And when I will reach 134, I will stop buying this. I will be buying net fit because it is all in numbers. Once I will buy, I will make an entry and I will make a complete chart.
तो सर कहने का मतलब ये है कि whatever amount we have, it should be splitted evenly in, मतलब evenly in all the ETFs.
Evenly you can split actually, but if you want to increase and decrease these are all the safe asset class. Don't worry actually. Here and there, if you will do mistake here.
So sir, for example, मेरे पास 1 लाख रुपए है और मेरे को 4 ETF में लगाना है, तो 25 हजार रुपए में मैं 4 एंट्री ले सकता हूँ, ये कहने का मतलब है.
Actually, I will advise you one thing. I will give you advice. See,
right, sir.
If you have 1 lakh rupees, only buy 2 ETFs. More than enough for you. Don't split in too many ETFs. It will decrease your return. At least I want that 50k should be put in one ETF. This is your, you know, a minimum ticket size of buying, or you know, keeping a track of one ETF. At least if you are telling me you have to buy 3 ETF, then you have to bring 50 into 3. 1 lakh 50 you bring, and then you plan as per 50. So you know, whenever if you will divide your 1 lakh rupee into so many ETFs, I'll tell you this is 100%.
Profit percentage कम हो जाएगा सर, मेरे हिसाब से ना.
Return will be very less actually, very less.
हाँ, तो आपका कहने का मतलब है सर, मैं पैसा का अमाउंट ज्यादा रख लूं और ETF कम लूं, भले 2 या 3 ETF में इन्वेस्ट करूं, लेकिन उसका वैल्यू थोड़ा ज्यादा होना चाहिए ताकि मेरा प्रॉफिट का परसेंटेज रिटर्न ज्यादा हो.
हाँ, या सो इट इज.
लेकिन सर, लेकिन सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरे पास अगर पैसा सपोज कम है, मेरे पास अगर सपोज 2 लाख रुपए ही है और मैंने 50.
If you have 1 lakh rupee, you know, you have the ETFs, you can just select 2 ETFs, just read about them, what business they are into, just
ठीक है सर, ये मैं समझ गया, बट सर अगर वो ETF गिर जाता है मेरे रेट से तो मैं उसकी एवरेजिंग कैसे करूंगा अगर मेरे पास पैसा खत्म हो जाता है सारा? तो
again actually
ये
you
मैं
have to
पूछना
see
चाह रहा
this
हूँ।
chart. You have to see this chart actually. See, this
ओके
is the chart that you are buying, and this is the chart how you have to buy it. Refer
ओके
to
ओके
this chart actually. Refer to this chart. See, everything you have to mix.
ठीक
See,
है,
I am not saying this is not the
करेक्ट
chart to buy. This
करेक्ट,
is the chart when you will buy, how you will,
ठीक
make
है,
your
मैं समझ गया।
allocation. This is the chart for making your allocation percentage.
लोकेशन,
This is not the chart
करेक्ट,
to buy it. This is the, actual
चार्ट टू,
thing.
ठीक है सर, मैं समझ गया।
Okay,
मैं मतलब इसको देख के ही लूंगा।
Rishabh,
राइट सर।
actually, I have a class in 5 minutes. I'm sorry, actually, we have to end this class now. I will be taking your next of the question in the next sessions.
Yes sir, one question.
Yeah. I can only take one more question now. We will see because I think the time is not
Yes,
allowing.
one question sir, if you can just go to the PPT.
Yes.
Just hold on. Just hold on. Sir, question number 6. Sir, ETF.
Okay, in any given day. No, actually, see, we are not buying the ETF as per their percentage. Okay, we are buying, or see, everything we are doing as per the RSI indicator. I have never told you when it is 1% down, we have to buy.
No,
I
you haven't told
you.
me. It was just my question. Yes, you have never told me, sir.
So it is okay. Or if the ETF want to do more than what we do, in that case, if RSI is 60, what we should do in this indicator, the RSI will further go down, and we should see. We only have to consider the RSI. If the ETF is going down 2-3% in a day, again you have to see a chart and you have to take your decision. See, whatever the percentage is, RSI can be down. Stock can be down by 15% in a day. We are not bothered about those things actually. We are only bothered about our RSI indicator, what levels it is showing. I think most of your questions will be getting sorted because this is a best table that we have made for you. Okay.
Sir, well, just one last question. Uske baad, please, you can end. Sir, just one last question. What are the best top 10 ETFs that you will recommend to buy and to take position? Top 10 ETF, if you can just help me with the names.
I can only give you, for 3 D's ETF which we have given you. Okay, you can look for bank D's actually. And also you can look SBI Sensex ETF. MON 100 will NASDAQ, Nifty Bees is for Nifty Index, Netfeed is for IT, Bank Bees, and the Sensex. And I don't know about top 10, to be very, very frank.
Okay.
I will, as we have to be aware of, the sectors that we are capturing. See, here we are capturing the NASDAQ index. Here we are capturing the whole Nifty. See, every sector we are, catching. Netfeed, we are capturing whole IT industry. Bank Bees, we are, capturing the financial, banks actually. It is for the Sensex BSE. See, there are some auto index ETF, but I will tell you, don't buy those ETFs. There are some pharmaceutical ETF. I will tell you, don't buy those ETFs actually. Okay, so these are, and if you are going for gold ETF or for the silver ETF, I tell you, you better go for only these ETFs. It will make your
only equity-based ETF. I got a point.
Okay, so see, we have covered every sector. I don't think anything is else required.
Sir, so
there are some FMCG ETFs, but I will tell you, don't go and don't buy those ETFs. Okay, don't buy those ETFs. Okay, Rishabh, I am really sorry. I will not be able to take your any more call because I have.
No, sir. You have taken more than.
We can do one thing. Yes, you can just practice now, and by and then if you have any question we can meet. Okay.
Right, sir. I agree, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your session. Okay, sir, thank you so much. It was very, very helpful for me, sir. I will now practice what you have taught me, and I will, get back to you in our next session. It was very helpful, and sir, really thankful to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rishabh. Take care. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you.